What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at installing the Glovebox extension on my new Gen 5 850. This is an awesome add-on, and I've been waiting to get back home to get this from the folks at Team Vincent Motorsports, just because it gives you basically coverage not only for extra storage in this space here on the machine, but also allows us to install our Garmin GPS units right on the Glovebox door as well, which is it's been an awesome setup for us. So I'm going to take you through just really quickly what comes in the box and what's required for the install, and we'll get it done on this new 850 for me. All right, so let's take a look and see what you get in the Glovebox extension for the new G5. It does look a little bit different than the one that we had for the G4, so I haven't seen one of these yet in real life. This will be the first time. I assume it's the same install as what it was in previous years. Yeah, this actually looks really nice. The door definitely looks different, and the latch system is a little bit different as well. So that's what it looks like. Nice piece. And what we might do is, again, I'll take a look, but we sometimes will modify and drill a couple holes through the top part so we can still use the heated mobile phone holder. So I'm going to take a look at that as well. But so far so good. It's pretty easy. It should be just 2 screws on the bottom, I believe, is what holds it all together. And that usually they just go in through there. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do the install for the Glovebox extension on my new G5. And I love that Skidoo's actually made this easier this year to do this versus the one on the G4. So I'm going to show you really quickly what's involved with this install. Again, it will not take long, super simple. First things first, just remove your windshield. Second thing you're going to do is take off the Glovebox lid. Now, I've already got it disconnected here just because I was prepping for this. All right, guys, so before you put on the actual Glovebox extension, in the packaging, you get this little piece of weather seal, and all that does is it just goes on the front here. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna lay that down first before we actually put on the Glovebox extension. And I believe it just sits in here like this. I'm gonna try to get a picture for you guys to show you what that looks like once I've got it on. All right, guys, just gonna show you where that weather stripping goes. Just mount that sticky part kind of on the outside rim of the lip here. And that's it. Just gives you a bit of an added seal. All right, so the final stage, you're just gonna basically take that Glovebox, the new extension, you're gonna feed the clips in just into where you took off the original lid. And then you're just gonna need a T20 toques. So I grabbed a socket. And this is where I kind of like this install better than what the old ones were, because you have to take out the bottom piece. Just start feeding the new screws that they give you in there and tighten them up by hand with a T20 socket. And you're done. That's it. Super easy. Put that windshield back on. And you can see it's like a perfect fit with the low windshield. So now you got all this nice extra storage. Like I said, we may mount the mobile phone holder up top or not. I'm going to take a look at that after and decide if I want to do it again. Otherwise, nice spot to mount your GPS. And that's the setup we roll with. I'll give you guys a closer look at that. So there's your Glovebox extension, and you can see inside, those are your new screws. They basically go to where the gauge is held on. And you can see nice fitment with the with the low windshield. So that looks great. Really pleased with it. That's the setup we typically rock. And next thing will be to get the Garmin installed. Stay tuned for that video, guys. Thanks.
If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiling. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.